Money isn't the goal, it's the scoreboard of how you play the game. The untold truth about money is that most people spend their entire lives chasing it without ever understanding what it actually is. From moment you are born, you are conditioned to believe that money is something you earn only by through hard work, long hours and sacrifice. You are told to study hard, get a stable job, save a little, and retire someday. But what if that entire script is outdated? What if money isn't something you chase but something you attract based on how you think, act, and solve problems? The reality is, money is not just currency, it's a reflection of values. The more value you create, the more money flows towards you. But society rarely teaches you how to create value. Instead, it trains you to trade time for money, which is the slowest and most limiting way to build wealth. If you truly want to build wealth from nothing, you need to unlearn that you have been taught and start seeing money as a tool, not a destination. Because once you understand this shift, everything changes. Now, most people think starting from nothing is a disadvantage, but in reality, it can be your greatest asset. When you have nothing, you have nothing to lose. You are not tied down by comfort, habits, or fear of failure. The problem is not starting with zero money, it's starting with a mindset full of limitations. People who stay broke often believe that wealth is reserved for the lucky, the privileged, or the highly educated. But if you look closely, many self made wealthy individuals started with nothing but an idea, persistence, and the ability to learn quickly. The difference isn't where they started, but how they thought. They didn't ask, what job can I get? They asked, what problem can I solve? That question alone separates those who struggle from those who thrive. Wealth isn't built by working harder than everyone else. It's built by thinking differently than everyone else. When you start seeing problems as opportunities, you begin to unlock doors that most people don't even realize exist. Now, one of the biggest lies about money is that saving alone will make you wealthy. Saving is important, but it's not the strategy that builds wealth. Saving protects money, but it does not multiply it. If you want to build wealth from nothing, you need to focus on increasing your income before obsessing over cutting expenses. Most people try to budget their way to wealth, but you can't shrink your way to abundance. At some point, you must learn how to earn more. And the fastest way to do that is by developing skills that are valuable in the marketplace. Skills like communication, sales, problem solving, and adaptability are far more powerful than any degree. When you master these, you become someone who can create income on demand. That's the real power. Because when you know how to generate money, you are no longer afraid to losing it. And that confidence changes how you make decisions, take risks, and pursue opportunities. Now, another truth people don't talk about is that wealth is built in silence, not in display. Social media has created an illusion that wealth is about luxury cars, expensive clothes, and flashy lifestyles. But real wealth is often invisible. It's in investments, assets, and systems that generate income without constant effort. The people who look rich are often the ones spending everything they make, while the truly wealthy are quietly building streams of income behind the scenes. If you are starting from nothing, your focus should not be on looking successful but on becoming financially independent. That means delaying gratification, making smart decisions, and reinvesting what you earn instead of spending it all. It's not glamorous, it's not exciting in the short term, but it's what creates long term freedom. Because at the end of the day, wealth isn't about impressing others, it's about having control over your time and your life. If you want to build wealth, you need to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. This is one of the simplest concepts, yet most people completely ignore it. An asset puts money in your pocket, a liability takes money out of your pocket. It sounds obvious, but people often confuse the two. They buy things that look valuable but don't actually generate income. Cars, gadgets, and expensive lifestyles are often liabilities disguised as rewards. Meanwhile, assets like businesses, investments, and income producing skills are what truly build wealth. When you start from nothing, your goal should be to acquire or build assets as quickly as possible. Even small ones, it could be a side hustle, a digital product, or a skill that you can monetize. The key is to recreate or create something that continues to generate income over time. Because once you have assets working for you, you are no longer dependent solely on your time to make money. One of the most overlooked truths about money is the power of consistency. Yes, consistency. People often look for shortcuts, hacks, or quick wins, but wealth is rarely built overnight. It's built through small, consistent actions repeated over and over. The problem is consistency is boring. It doesn't get attention, it doesn't go viral, but it works whether it's saving a small amount regularly, investing consistently, or improving your skills every day. These actions compound over time, and that's where the real magic happens. Compounding is not just a financial concept, it's a life principle. The effort you put in today might not show results immediately, but over months and years, it can create exponential growth. The people who succeed are not necessarily the smartest or the most talented, they are the ones who stay consistent when others give up. And that's what separates those who dream about wealth from those who actually achieve it. Another important truth is that your environment shapes your financial future more than you realize. The people you surround yourself with, the content you consume, and the conversations you engage in all influence how you think about money. If you are constantly around people who complain about being broke, avoid risk, and settle for less, it's very difficult to break out of that mindset. On the other hand, when you surround yourself with people who are ambitious, growth oriented, and financially aware, your perspective starts to shift. You begin to see possibilities instead of limitations. This doesn't mean you need to abandon your current circle, but you need to intentionally expose yourself to better ideas and influences. Books, podcasts, and mentor can play a huge role in this. Because before you can change your financial reality, you need to change your mental environment. Fear is another silent barrier that keeps people from building wealth. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of losing money, these fears are natural. But they can be paralyzing if you let them control your decisions. The truth is, every successful person has faced these fears. The difference is they acted anyway. They understood that failure is not the opposite of success, but a part of it. When you are starting from nothing, you are going to make mistakes. You are going to fail. But those failures are not setbacks, they are lessons. Each one teaches you something valuable. that brings you closer to success. The biggest risk is not taking risk at all. Biggest because staying in the same place guarantees that nothing will change. And if you want a different life, you have to be willing to do something differently. Another key to building wealth is learning how to think long term. Most people are focused on immediate gratification. They want quick results, fast money, and instant success. But wealth is a long game. It requires patience, discipline, and vision. When you start thinking long term, your decisions change. You begin to prioritize investments over expenses, growth over comfort, and learning over entertainment. You understand that what you do today affects where you will be years from now. This mindset shift is crucial because it helps you stay focused even when progress feels slow. It reminds you that every step you take is part of a bigger journey, and over time, those steps add up to something significant. Finally, the untold truth about money is that it amplifies who you are. If you are disciplined, money will give you more freedom. If you are careless, money will magnify your problems. That's why building wealth is not just about money, it's about the personal growth. It's about becoming the kind of person who can handle success responsibly. Because at the end of the day, money is just a tool. It doesn't define you, but it reveals you. And if you focus on becoming better, learning more, and creating values, the money will flow. The money will follow you, not overnight, not easily, but inevitably. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe the video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.